Okay guys, we're in HomeGoods trying to look for some restoration hardware at Dupes, and look at this. This is beautiful. $79.99. It's just like a sculpture. It's by Tahar. Let me see how heavy this thing is. It's pretty heavy, guys. I'm not sure. It may be cement, but I just walked in the store and that's the first thing I've seen. And of course you have these. Hey guys, at this point in the video, the music was extremely loud in HomeGoods, so I do have to have the voiceover. This piece here was very similar to a piece I saw in Restoration Hardware. It was priced at $90 because it was a little bit chipped, but it was a different style. So throughout this video, you'll see things that are similar or have a look of restoration hardware pieces. A lot of the planters was really nice, and this item here we saw earlier, here's a smaller size, and the price was really good on it. So I just went through HomeGoods just looking at items that may have some detail like restoration hardware. They didn't have a lot. The garden section in HomeGoods were pretty well stocked. But throughout the store, as you will see within the course of me recording this video in HomeGoods, you'll see that the store did not have a lot of the other items that they generally do. So once again, guys, HomeGoods music became extremely loud. So throughout the rest of the video, if I'm not doing a voiceover, you will hear non-copyrighted music. It's not the best music, but it's the music that we have to play in order to show the video. So enjoy the rest of the music and the rest of the video. After we leave HomeGoods, we're going to go over to HomeSense. So stay tuned. And don't forget, guys, when you see those pop-up pictures, those are the photos from Restoration Hardware, where the items may be a bit similar to what you're seeing at HomeGoods or HomeSense. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. So once again, the music became extremely loud. This piece here, I think was either $16 or $19.99. It was metal, and it's still part of the garden section. The vessel to the left, I think in the video, I was trying to get a picture of that. I totally forgot. That pottery on the side there with the roping, that was really, really nice. And this particular stoneware, similar to something you may see in Restoration Hardware. So I'm just going throughout the garden section, looking at items for the shape or the feel of Restoration Hardware. And as you can see, I found a few pieces, but not a whole lot, but it's well worth it to go to HomeGoods to check it out. And here's the smaller piece I was telling you guys about. And this smaller item was $49.99. Now, this was a really, really great buy, as that item was extremely heavy. It was a very heavy piece and well worth the price. And here's something a little more with that white speckle and that cement look. This vessel here, well, it's really a pot, a garden pot from Tahari. Very nice in the feel and in the look, very minimalistic. At this point, I was getting a little bored, so I was like, let me see if I could find something. I just can't find what I'm looking for. And then I saw these items up top. This is something new I haven't seen in HomeGoods recently. I thought they were cute. They were priced well, and the colors was had a slightly matte finish to it. So we're just browsing, and I came upon some oil-clad pots. I know it has nothing to do with Restoration Hardware, but I was looking for some new pots, and I stumbled across these oil-clad pots, so I had to pick them up. And here we are, still just strolling the aisle, guys. We're just strolling the aisles of HomeGoods, trying to find items that had that Restoration Hardware look. This statue here, that was like $500 for that. I saw these wicker baskets. I love the shape of them. Very, very well made and very well priced. They started like $29 to $34. And then this particular piece here was $39. So we're just walking through HomeGoods. Now this is extremely similar to a Restoration Hardware piece. It was $30, and here's the piece from Restoration Hardware that was well over $100. And then we're just looking and browsing. Those vessels there, they were really nice. Something you may like for your home. And just looking at these little trinkets on the shelves. And I looked at this. I have no idea what this is, but it kind of intrigued me. It was like $300 for it. And I was looking for ginger jars, and this is the most that they had. My HomeGoods, unfortunately, was not well stocked at all. I understand the reasoning behind it. So we found this piece here. I believe that was $24.99. It was just something like a cookie jar. I guess you could put it on a shelf or utilize it for a cookie jar. And here are some more items that we're looking at. So from here on out, guys, I'm going to let you enjoy some of the music. And we'll catch back up towards the end of the video when we're on our way into HomeSense. Okay, guys, I'll see you in a few. Okay, guys, we're in HomeSense. I figured I'd come over to HomeSense since HomeGoods didn't have much of anything. And I found this piece here. I think they had something in wood similar to this in Restoration Hardware. It's not on the same exact type of stand, but it is old marble and it's heavy. I can't even pick it up, guys. I mean, this is all marble. All marble. And underneath, I'm trying to find the price. Hi guys, here at HomeSense, I ran into the same issue with the music. So here's another music interlude for you guys. I found this beautiful marble piece. Isn't that gorgeous? Did you see how much this looked like the Restoration Hardware piece? I was so happy to find this for $39.99. Guys, this one is all marble. So guys, we were on the hunt for restoration hardware dupes. We went to HomeGoods and now I'm in HomeSense. We didn't find much and my HomeSense is pretty bare. I showed you guys a couple of items. Not much going on. I decided on this marble piece here.